Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming safety and organizing tools so nothing slows you later. First, cut power to motorized blinds or unplug the unit, then place a ladder centered beneath the headrail. Use a cloth to protect the headrail finish while you work. Next, locate the metal clips holding the valance or headrail. You will pry the clip edge gently with a flat screwdriver to release tension. Work one clip at a time so the blind stays supported. This prevents sudden drops and damage. You now focus on the midstage, identifying and manipulating each metal clip correctly. Once you see a clip, brace the headrail with one hand and insert the screwdriver under the clip lip, then lift or push per its mechanism. Spring-loaded clips need upward pressure, hinged clips rotate away. Make small, controlled movements and release adjacent clips sequentially so weight shifts are predictable. If a clip resists, stop and reassess rather than forcing it. Use needle nose pliers for better grip. You're at the finish. Lift the headrail off its remaining supports and tilt it down to clear the brackets, then slide out the slats or panels gently. Store all hardware in a labeled container so reinstallation is straightforward. Once removed, inspect each metal clip and the headrail for bends or worn teeth. Replace any damaged clips to ensure secure reattachment. If a clip is seized, apply a small amount of penetrating oil, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and try again. This releases corrosion without breaking parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.